What's up, guys? If you're looking for the next big shift in the market before it hits the charts, you're definitely in the right place. Everyone talks about the trillion-dollar potential of the real estate market, but the truth is most of us has been locked out of it for years. Coinstore is once again changing that narrative by giving its community a front row seat to a project that merges massive property assets with the efficiency of the blockchain. The spotlight today is on RWAMP, and it's hitting that Coinstore launchpad with a vision that makes property ownership as accessible as trading your favorite token. The beauty of this launch is how it strips away the old-school barriers like massive upfront cash and endless paperwork, and then replacing them with a transparent and digital-first model. Backed by the heavy-hitting track record of Mark Properties, RWAMP is moving straight into high-potential markets like Dubai to turn real bricks into liquid and tradable assets. That being said, stick around until the very end because we are breaking down the full roadmap and why this IEO is exactly where the next big RWA story begins. Alright guys, as I was saying, the real magic of Coinstore comes down to the way that they bridge the gap between complex innovation and the everyday user. Instead of leaving people to navigate the noise on their own, this platform focuses on a step-by-step introduction to the market that feels both transparent and globally accessible. When you're browsing the Coinstore ecosystem, you get that rare feeling of being there at the exact moment a project takes its first breath. And while you've got all the essential tools like staking and secure wallets, the true engine driving this entire experience is the Coinstore Launchpad. Every single project is showcased with its complete vision, technical foundation, and token economics laid out so you can actually understand the value before making a move. And during an IEO like the one we're seeing now, the subscription model is built on absolute fairness. Everything is handled through USDT and the allocations are proportional to your participation. This simply means that you never ever have to worry about a race against bots or being lucky with your own timing. Once the event wraps up, your tokens are then delivered straight to your account and allowing the project to hit the market with genuine liquidity and a solid community from day one. This organized structure is exactly why the Launchpad has earned its reputation as the go-to entry point for high-quality ecosystems, and we're seeing that same level of execution right now with RWAMP. That being said, guys, let's dive into what's happening on the platform now and why this shift into real-world assets is such a massive play. We're looking at a project that's tackling the trillion-dollar real estate market by turning high-potential properties into digital and tradable assets. Instead of needing millions of dollars to buy an entire building, this ecosystem lets you own a fractional share of verified properties directly on the blockchain. It's essentially the currency of real estate investments that is designed to bridge the gap between traditional property wealth and the digital economy. What's massive here is that the focus is on three major markets: Dubai, Pakistan, and Saudi Arabia. And by starting with a project launch in Dubai, they are tapping into some of the most sought-after real estate in the world. Literally every investment is backed by the expertise of Mark Properties, which is ensuring that the assets are verified and have high growth potential. That means that you're looking at an ecosystem asset that gives you early access to premium projects that are usually closed off to the general public. And as you can see, guys, the roadmap is clear and definitely built for the long haul. We're currently in the phase of the initial project launches and the broker recruitment program. From here, the plan expands into property acquisitions and development planning, eventually leading to a full exchange listing and market entry into Saudi Arabia. It's a focused progression that aims to deliver regular dividends from project profits and capitalize on the appreciation of the properties themselves. Everything you need, from the white paper to the direct purchase options, is available on their site at rwamp.io. You can also catch the official launch happening right now over on the Coinstore Launchpad, which is giving you the early entry advantage in a totally structured unfiltered way. As always, check the pinned comment for all the official links to make sure that you're looking at the right platforms. Thanks for spending your time with me today. Keep your eyes on the tech as always, and I will catch you in the very next video.